Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode from mksenglish.com. My name is Mark, and today's topic is seasons. This episode is especially for EIKEN Grade 3, and we will talk about spring, summer, fall, and, of course, winter. Which season do you like best? So, here in Japan, there are 4 seasons. They are spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each season is different. The weather changes, the food changes, and of course, people do different activities. First, let's talk about spring. Spring is warm and beautiful. Many flowers bloom in spring. Cherry blossoms are very popular in Japan. People like to go to parks and have picnics. Students start a new school year in spring too. Me, I like spring because the weather is comfortable. How about you? Next is summer. Summer is hot and sunny. Many people go to the beach or the pool. Students have summer vacation, and people enjoy festivals and fireworks in summer. Sometimes, as I'm sure some of you know, summer is very humid in Japan. It can be difficult to sleep at night. I like eating ice cream and watermelon in summer. But it is a little bit too humid for me sometimes. But anyway, how about you? What do you like to do in summer? Now, let's talk about fall. Fall is cool and relaxing. The leaves change color and become red, orange, and yellow. Many people like fall because the weather is nice. It is also a good season for sports and hiking. In Japan, people often say fall is the best season for food. There are delicious foods like sweet potatoes and mushrooms. I enjoy walking outside in fall. Finally, let's talk about winter. Winter is cold and it sometimes snows. People wear coats, scarves, and gloves. Some people go skiing or snowboarding. In winter, many families celebrate Christmas and New Year's. Hot drinks are very popular in winter. I like drinking hot coffee and staying warm inside. How about you? Do you like winter? All right, so now let's practice some useful EIKEN questions. Listen and repeat. What is your favorite season? Once more. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring. Why do you like it? Why do you like it? Because the weather is nice. Because the weather is nice. What do you do in summer? What do you do in summer? I go to the beach. I go to the beach. All right, so maybe you can go back a little bit and try answering these questions by yourself. Give your real answers, right? So today we talked about the 4 seasons. Spring is warm, summer is hot, fall is cool, and winter is cold. Every season is special. I hope you enjoyed this episode. So now, how about going over to mksenglish.com and checking out the full EIKEN 3 course? Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.